Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Putri Ayu Ramadhani with student ID number M1D1219 from class A. Here, I will explain one of the journals. The title is Comparison of Waste Management between Indonesia and South Korea. This video was made to fulfill the test assignment in English 2 taught by Mr. Freddy Ilvan STMT. The things that will be discussed are: the first is about background, the second is about research method, the third is about analysis of research results, and the fourth is about conclusion. The first is about background. The rapid population growth resulted in increasing economic, socio-cultural, and industrial growth. This can also result in a shift in the quality and function of the environment that is not in accordance with its designation. Well, from the activity, it produces waste. Types of waste are very diverse. Not all waste can decompose properly because some cannot be degraded. In general, waste is divided into three: organic, inorganic, and battery waste. Organic waste is waste that comes from living things and can be decomposed. One example of organic waste is dry leaves can be used in composting waste. Next, inorganic waste is waste that doesn't come from living things and is difficult or even cannot be degraded or decomposed naturally. Inorganic waste can be recycled and used as various handicraft creations. For example, is glass bottles can be reused as flower vase, decorative lamps, or other home decoration. The last, battery waste is waste that is dangerous and poisonous. If not treated properly, this type of waste can threaten the health and pollute the environment, such as waste containing aerosols. Aerosols can cause the depletion of the stratospheric ozone layer, which function to protect living things on Earth from ultraviolet radiation. Waste management in cities in Indonesia isn't optimal enough, in contrast to that applied by South Korea, which manages its waste in a more organized manner. Therefore, it's necessary to conduct further research on waste management in Indonesia and its comparison with South Korea. The second is about research method. The study used a qualitative method. Primary data and secondary data in the study were obtained by taking and collecting data from various sources. The sample from Putri Kempo Open Damping were obtained through study visits and interviews by students of the Environmental Science Department from the University of 11 Maret in 2019. Then sample from Sudakwon Sanitary Landfill were obtained through study visits on landfill operation and research training program through the Korean International Cooperation Agency or KOCHA in 2015. The third is about analysis of research results. Consists of 1. Waste management, 2. Waste management in Indonesia, 3. Waste management in South Korea, 4. Comparison of waste management systems in Indonesia and South Korea. Waste management. Waste management is a systematic, comprehensive, and sustainable activity that includes waste reduction and handling. Analysis of the problems faced in waste management in Indonesia, including the lack of a firm legal basis, inadequate landfills, a lack of composting efforts, and a lack of proper landfill management. Analysis of waste management in Korea. namely Sudeokwon, which is the largest sanitary landfill in the world and has been classified as a world-class sanitary landfill. However, around 1977, waste management in South Korea was still not well managed. Waste management in Indonesia. Putri Kempo Landfill is the final disposal site for all waste disposal processes throughout Soloraya. The sorting around the landfill is only done by scavengers. Waste management at Putri Kempo Landfill can be called waste management, which is carried out by integrated open dumping. Putri Kempo Landfill are collaboration between Department of Sanitation and Gardening, scavengers, and cattle breeders who apply the 4R system: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recovery. Examples of recycled plastic bags and other used plastic are recycled back into household utensils such as buckets, scoops, plastic bags, etc. Putri Kempo Landfill also implements the Garbage Power Plant program. Waste management in South Korea. Sudeokwon Landfill is the largest sanitary landfill in the world and is classified as a world-class sanitary landfill. The gas and liquid produced are stored and processed to become valuable resource. Implemented a policy for sorting waste at source classified as organic waste, inorganic waste, and other waste that doesn't fall into that category. The South Korean government implemented that concept of a volume-based waste fee system and collecting the recyclable waste, namely a volume-based waste disposal system where each citizen has to pay for every plastic waste to be used. Comparison of waste management systems in Indonesia and South Korea consists of 5 aspects. There are: first, institutional aspects. At the Putri Kempo Landfill, is not clear between regulator and operator. At the Sudeokwon Landfill, the regulator and operator have been separated. Second, fund aspects. In Indonesia, there are still constraints of limited funding source of investment, operation, and maintenance, so that waste management is not optimal. Within South Korea, sufficient source of funding come from the government budgets, business profits from gas sales, landfills, CBM projects, research activities, and the sale of plastic bags to the public. Third, policy aspects. In Indonesia, it's still limited both nationally and locally, and law enforcement is still weak. In South Korea, there have been many regulations related to waste and clear law enforcement. 4. Social aspect. In Indonesia, public awareness to participate in managing waste is still low. In South Korea, people have a high awareness of managing waste. 5. Operational technical aspect. Most of the landfill in Indonesia is still operating in open dumping. In South Korea, the operation of the landfill is carried out by means of a sanitary landfill which is equipped with supporting facilities and infrastructure. Last is conclusion. From this study, we can conclude that municipal waste management in Indonesia has proven to be less than optimal compared to municipal waste management in South Korea. It can be seen from the difference in waste management systems and recycling rates at the Putri Kempo Landfill and Sudeokwon Landfill, which are used as samples of That's my